Hi everyone, welcome on my channel Inflatable TV, and today I want to teach you 2 tricks that you can use when you're traveling. I've been using those tricks several times and it's really helpful, so I really hope that it's useful for you. So before starting, if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment because I'll read all of them and I answer all of them. So here's my first trick. You will notice that when you travel, most of the time in other countries, the power source will be different than in your own country. If you go to Cuba, China, Europe, wherever you go, you will see that when you try to plug your thing in the wall, it's not gonna work. It's different. So what do you need to do? You need to buy a universal adapter. That's what I have here. So mostly everyone knows about that. But what happens if you have a laptop with you, you have your charger here, and your wife has a laptop as well, and a phone to charge as well, and you brought a razor. Let's say you have 4 to 5 things to plug in the wall, but all you have is this. Are you gonna buy 5 of those? No, this isn't the trick that I'm using right here. Thanks to Nico, my brother-in-law, who thought about this in our last trip. This is what you use. Isn't this smart? So you come here, you plug this here like that, you plug this in the wall, and then here we go. I have now 6 outlets that I can use with just one adapter. So that's the first trick I'm using. It's really been useful for me. I never thought of this before, thanks to my brother-in-law. And for my last little trick, you will have to spend a little bit more money. I would say about $30 maximum, and I'm gonna put a link in the description below of where you can buy it. But this is it. It's really small, really compact. You can put this easily in the backpack. Look, it's really small, really small. But when you open it, this is an inflatable couch that you can inflate in less than 10 seconds, and you have a nice couch, or I would say almost a bed, that you can lay on and relax. I've been using this at the airport. I was waiting for my flight, and I had to wait several hours for my flight. So all I did is I opened this, and in less than 10 seconds I had a bed, and everyone was on the chairs, not comfortable, trying to sleep like this, and me next to them sleeping on the couch like that, relaxing, my feet up. I was sleeping like a baby and all those people couldn't sleep. So that's the first time I've used it. The second time I've used this is on the beach, because when you're not going in the resort, you will realize that you need to rent chairs on the beach. If you go on a public beach in other countries, those chairs are not free. You need to bring your own towels, you need to bring your own chairs, or you need to pay for it. So I was in some countries and I had to pay about $10 or to $15 to rent a chair a day just to lay on the beach. So I was coming there, people would run to me, hey, you want to rent my bed? You want to rent this bed on the beach? You want to rent those chairs? I was like, no thank you. I would just pull this out and I would have a nice bed on the beach. Check this out, I'm having, here I was in Bali. I would even use this in the water sometimes, and I would surf with it. That's really useful, and it costs only $25 to $30. It's really cheap and really useful. You can use it while traveling, you can use it at home as well. It's super comfortable. You really need to try this. So this was a really short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I hope to see you soon in another video. Subscribe. See you soon and have a nice day.